Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the TMP InputField component in Unity. What is InputField in Unity? In Unity, InputField is a UI component that allows users to enter text during gameplay. It is commonly used for player name entry, chat systems, or any feature that requires text input. To get started, we first need to create a TMP InputField in our Unity scene. We can do this by right-clicking in the Hierarchy panel and selecting UI gives text mesh pro gives input field. This will add an input field to our scene, allowing users to enter text. Now, let's write the script to make everything work. We declare text mesh pro for displaying text, TMP underscore input field for receiving user input, and button for triggering the action. In the start method, we use myButton.onClick.add listener shall message. To link the button's click events to the shall message method. In the shall message function, we retrieve the text from the input field and update message text.text with a personalized welcome message. Now, let's test our setup. Enter a name in the TMP input field. Click the button. Watch as the welcome message updates dynamically on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.